So today we are looking at this product that I'm showing you here on the screen. This is from the L.L.C store on Amazon. L.L.C, thank you for sending this to me for my review and testing. What it is a universal wall pole mounting bracket system, and it can be used to mount things such as wireless bridge units, access points, security cameras, and probably even a small satellite dish if necessary. Comes in at a price at the time of this recording of $29.95. It is solid metal. I would have absolutely no problem whatsoever using this product to mount these types of devices outdoors. So next part of the video, we're going to take a closer look at what comes inside the box. Then we'll jump outside and check out a security camera and 1/2 of a wireless bridge unit installed on these brackets. All right, taking a look at what comes inside the box. Let's not do a major unboxing here, but we have one bracket right here. Looks like we have a set of mounting screws and anchors. We have the actual second bracket here. And we have the hardware, the U-bolt hardware for mounting on a pole. And then what else is in here? We have just the instructions. It also has the dimensions on here. I'll see if I can hold this up and maybe you can see the dimensions. But I believe it supports up to a 2-inch diameter pole per the L.L.C store. So there you go. That's what comes inside the box. Let's just take one of these things out of the plastic so I can give you guys a closer look. Okay, there you go. So this is what gets mounted either on the wall surface, or you can put your U-bolts in this way here. We're going to be mounting it outside on a 2x4, so we're just going to mount it using this surface right here. And then the nice thing, what I like about this is you can see it's adjustable, so it can tilt this way, so you can angle your device if necessary. And then it also tilts up and down as well. So it's pretty much fully articulating. And again, this thing is made out of solid metal. I believe the U-bolts are made out of aluminum alloy, so it's rated for outdoors. So let's get all this stuff outside and check out a couple of devices installed on these brackets. Here's an up-close look at the bracket mounted on the 2x4. As you can see, it pans from left to right, and it also tilts up and down. For a permanent mounting solution, just simply tighten down on the nuts and the bolts. If you found any value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up. For more content like this, please click the video on the screen. Thank you so much for watching.